Hello everyone, I am Ankit Aryan from MCA AKU Semester 1. Today I am standing over here to give you an overview of page replacement algorithm in FIFO manner. There are other three algorithm also available in this algorithm, which is MRU, which stands for most recently used. Second is LRU, which is least recently used, and third is optimal page replacement algorithm along with FIFO manner. So now I am going to discuss about page replacement algorithm in FIFO manner. So let's get understand with an example, or I can say a question. So here reference string is given in this question along with frame size, which is 3, and we have to solve it through FIFO manner. So you can see here I have already made a table. Reference string count is 12, so I have written reference string here and frame number here. Page number is written in this direction and frame number is written in this direction. So now let's solve it for better understanding. Here you can see this is page number and CPU is demanding page number 6, which is not in frame right now. So what will occur? There will a problem occur, that is page fault. Page fault will be occur. Then here 6, and now CPU is demanding page number 7, which is also not present here. So again page fault will be occur. Now the internal process happens inside CPU. Now 6, 7 is in the frame, and now CPU is demanding page number 8, and you can see here no page number 8 in this frame. So page fault will occur again. Now here CPU is demanding page number 9. You can see page number 9 is not available in this frame, so again page fault will occur. Now the frame size is defined, which is 3, and all 3 frames are contained with pages. So what needs to be done? That is why we are understanding page replacement algorithm. Now we are seeing here FIFO manner. FIFO manner means first in, first out. So the first page which came here is page number 6. So according to this algorithm, the first member which came is out first. So page number 9 replaced with page number 6, which came first. So at the place of 6, at the place of 6 page number 9 comes here. Now okay, come to the next. CPU is demanding page number 6. As you can see, page number 6 is not available in this frame, so again page fault will occur, and now this page get replaced. So after that this page came, so this page got replaced with 6 demanded page. Now again page number 7 is demanding and no page number 7 is available in this frame, so page fault will be occur again. So this time this page number gets replaced by 7. Now next one is also not available in this frame, so again page fault will occur, and this page got replaced according to the FIFO manner. This is the page we have to replace. Now 1, 6, 7. Now CPU is demanding page number 6. and you can see here page number 6 is already present in this frame. So page fault will not occur. CPU gets that page what is demanding, and this is hit case. And now 1, 6, 7. Again CPU is demanding page number 7, and page number 7 is available in this frame. So again this is hit case. Let's move further. 1, 6, 7. Now CPU is demanding page number 8, which is not available in this frame. So page fault will occur obviously. And you can see here, according to the FIFO manner, we have replaced here, and we have to see the upper side. So page number 6 replaced with page number 8. Now 1, 8 and 7. Page fault will occur because page number 9 is not available in this frame. So according to this manner, page number 7 gets replaced by 9. Now page number 1 is demanding by the CPU, and page number 1 is present here. So this is the hit case. So according to FIFO manner, this will be the result of a page replacement algorithm, I can say. So I hope everything is clear to you. So thank you everyone.